Here's a step-by-step on how to replace the torsion bar on a semi-automatic L sealer. First step, grab a 13mm wrench and loosen the nut. Now go ahead and completely remove the bolt. The next step, use a 5mm Allen key to remove the cushion stopper. Next step, go ahead and use a 5mm Allen key to remove the torsion bar bracket bolts. You can now remove the bracket and the spacers. Now set the L-bar sealer down. Now use a 3mm Allen key to remove the bolts. Now grab a 5mm Allen key to loosen the set screw, twist it, and remove the set screw on the other side. Now remove the puck. Now go ahead and remove the torsion bar. Now grab your new torsion bar and slide it back in place. When inserting the puck back in place, be sure that the flat spots on the torsion bar are facing the set screws. Now hold the torsion bar in place and put the puck back in. In doing so, make sure that the torsion bar does not stick outside of the puck. If it does so, go ahead and push it so it sits flush with the puck. Now grab your 5mm Allen key and tighten up the set screws on both sides. Now using a 3mm, go ahead and reinstall the puck bolts in place. In doing so, make sure that the torsion bar notch is facing away from the machine. Now lift the L-bar at a 90-degree angle. Put the spacers back in place, as well as the torsion bar bracket. And you can now put the bolts back in place using your 5mm Allen key. Now go ahead and put the rubber stopper back in place. Now reinstall the tension bolt and let it stick out about an inch. Now go ahead and tighten up the nut. That completes the torsion bar replacement. Now you can get back to sealing.